3 things you can do to improve your auto repair business this week. I'm Dean from the Workshop Whisperer. This is the original Workshop Whisperer herself, Rachael Evans. Welcome to today's episode of Talking Shop. Rach, hit us. 3 things you can do this week to improve your auto repair business.
Well, the first thing, and it should be the start of every week, is check your numbers. Where are you at? If you are inside the engine room or inside Million Dollar Mechanics Boardroom, you should be in the habit of looking at your numbers at the close of business every day. But if you haven't looked at yours in a while especially, dive in. Where are you at month to date? How is that comparing with last month? How is that comparing with the same time last year? What can your numbers tell you about your current performance? Just ask questions of your profit and loss. And where you realise there's something you don't understand, ask for help.
Yeah, learn to keep score, right?
That's it. Number two. The number 2 thing that you want to do is make sure your margins are on point. So we've been saying it for a gazillion years. The benchmark for gross profit in an auto repair business is between 58 and 62%. So you're not going to hit that consistently across all jobs if your labour gross profit is out or your parts gross profit is out. So if you're not using the Workshop Whisperer parts matrix, then make sure you contact us so we can give you a free copy. We've been giving it away for years.
Yeah, stop discounting time and money.
That's it, because it robs you of the fuel you need to run the operating side of your business if you cut out labour hours, or you don't get enough for your labour hours, or you undercharge on parts.
And number 3.
And the third thing that you can do for your auto repair business this week is get out on the floor, walk the floor, and connect individually on a personal level with each team member. So this is an important one because you want to get to know your team members individually for more than just the person who's swinging the spanner or manning the service desk.
More than the job you pay them for.
That's right. It should be part of the reason we want to be in business is actually to grow other humans, and we're providing them with an employment opportunity here that will hopefully help them tick off some of their life goals. So have a wander around this week and ask how they feel they're going in their role.
Yeah, what's working well, what's not working so well, and what do you think's getting in the way?
That's it.
The team on the floor have a perspective that you don't necessarily have. You don't have to do everything they say, but you might be surprised at some of the gems they come up with.
And you'll probably get some really handy insights on, where they're at personally, what they're looking to achieve professionally. And if you make something like that a habit, they'll also begin to trust that you do actually care. And that's super important in the two-way street to building respect.
Yeah, creates a nice aspect of equal sticks where we're all in this together to make this workplace the best that it possibly can be. So there's number 1 was
numbers.
Check your numbers. Learn to keep score. Number 2 was margins. Make sure you're hitting your GP percent of 58 to 62%. And number 3 was check in with your team. Make it a group win. All right. We will see you on the next episode of Talking Shop.